Hello learners, today we're going to learn how you can take a print screen or a screenshot of your desktop. For that you have to click Window plus print screen button on your laptop. Let's click together. Now where it's saved, so basically it is saved in a clipboard. You can get it by open a paint and Control plus V. So here you can see it is pasted and you can resize it and then click on File, Save As, and you can save anywhere. I will save it in desktop. You can choose a format. I will choose PNG. Then let's save it. Let's see. So here you can see it is saved. We had resized it, that's why it is saved like this. If you don't resize it and save as it is, it will save on its original size. Okay, so I think my laptop is now hang. Okay, then there is another method which you can use, or there is a tool which is a window snipping tool. You can just open and start button and write snipping. Then you can see snipping tool is there. Just click on that, add new. You can change here the mode, freeform, snip, rectangular, window snippet. It will basically, window snippet will take the whole window screen shot. Okay, then new, and it took it. So it took it. Now we have to just go there. Yeah, it will open. If you click anywhere, it will open a snipping tool. This preview, you can save it from here. Save as, then go to desktop, save as PNG. Where is PNG? Yeah, portable network graphic file. Then just save it. Let's see. You can see here we have, now we have a screenshot. So in this way you can take a screenshot. Okay, thanks.